Most beginners don't fail at building with AI because it's too hard. They fail because of 3 quiet mistakes. Let's fix them and build something real by the end of this video. Mistake 1. Starting too big. You dream up a full app with logins, payments, and a dashboard, then burn out in week 1. Instead, pick one tiny job your tool does. Mistake 2. Trusting the first output. AI sounds confident even when it's wrong. You have to test it. Mistake 3. Never shipping. You polish forever and show no one. So here's your concrete step. Open any AI chat tool and build a one-job assistant. Write a system prompt like this. You are an email summarizer. Given a long email, return 3 bullet points and 1 suggested reply. Nothing else. Now paste in 3 real emails and check the output. Did it hallucinate names? Did it miss the main ask? Tighten the prompt until it's reliable on all 3. That testing loop is the actual skill. Once it works, wrap it up. Paste it into a free tool like a custom GPT or a simple no-code form, and share the link with one person who has this problem. That's shipping. You just went from idea to working tool in one sitting. Do this 3 times with 3 different jobs, and you'll understand prompting better than most people who only watch tutorials. And yes, these small tools can turn into paid work or a tiny product later. That's a realistic outcome of building consistently, not a promise. The people who earn from AI are usually just the people who kept shipping small things. So start small, test everything, and ship today. If this helped, subscribe for more honest, hands-on builds. See you in the next one.